Ndị be anyị ekeleni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị si na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, kabaru ka subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our updates dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. O nwere ife okwu n'ilu akwụkwọ mma achọ ka unu ga-esi ya bụ ife ọ na-adọrọpụrụ anyị ifu nche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ihe ndị a niile okwu. Alright, over to you, sir.
Speak up.
Onye nwanyị nọnyere unu na iji unu bịa n'Italy. Biko kamera m adịcha mma unu nagide m. O nwere nga m chọrọ ịgụrụ ya n'akwụkwọ nsọ n'ihi okwu o kwuru n'abalị a. Biko unu nagide m ka m gụtụrụ ya ihe dị n'akwụkwọ nsọ. Okay, ana m agụ ya n'akwụkwọ Joshua verse 1. Okay, Joshua, akwụkwọ Joshua 1 verse 5. Ọ dịghị nwoke ọbụla ga-eguzo onwe ya n'iru gị. Ọ dịghị nwoke ọbụla ga-eguzo onwe ya n'iru gị ụbọchị niile nke ndụ gị. Dịka m nọnyere Moses, otu a ka m nọnyere gị. M ga-aghara gị aka, m ga-arapụkwa gị. Dị ike, nwekwa ume, n'ihi na gị onwe gị ga-eme ka ndị nke a keta ala ahụ nke m ṅụrụ nna ha iyi inye ha. Naanị dị ike, nwekwa ume nke ukwuu, ilezi anya ime dịka iwu ahụ niile si dị, nke Moses bụ oru m nyere gị n'iwu. Ewezugala onwe gị na ya n'aka nri ma ọ bụ n'aka ekpe, ka ị wee nwee uche n'ebe ọbụla ị na-eje. Akwụkwọ iwu a agaghị apụ n'ọnụ gị, kama ị ga-atụgharị uche n'ime ya ehihie na abalị, ka ị wee lezie anya ime dịka ihe niile si dị nke edeworo n'ime ya. N'ihi na mgbe ahụ ị ga-eme ka ije gị gaa nke ọma, mgbe ahụ ị ga-enwekwa uche. Enye m iwu dị ike na ume, amala jijiji, atụkwala ụjọ, n'ihi na Jehova bụ Chineke gị nọnyere gị n'ebe ọbụla ị na-eje. Ọbata obi Chineke nọnyere gị na ndị niile gị na ha so bịa n'ala Italy. Taa eshiri nga ofe ụgha na kọdụ okporoko na ihe dịka akpụ njiri si unu na-abịa. Ejikwana m 50 eje mma were na-asavụ unu mmiri unu ga-eji kwọrọ aka. Unu abịa, ndewonu.
Thank you, Joyce. Thank you, Joyce. We go to Mazi Eze Kama Israel.
Thank you. PM Ndewo. Asị m ka m sọpọtụ ndị Italy. Please, can you hear me? Because I'm not hearing.
Yes, I can hear you. Come on, Will. Continue. I can hear you.
Okay. All right. PM, you're welcome to Italy. I just want to support the Italian outing with the sum of 50 Ejema. Thank you.
Thank you, Mazeze. Thank you. We go to Bridget Uwasomba. Unmute yourself. Bridget Uwasomba, unmute yourself. Bridget Uwasomba, you have the mic.
Okay. BIAFRA in there, no. Are you hearing me? Am I heard?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you. Right on.
Okay, baby. Okay. Obatobi, man pass man, ana meji, $100. You were saying not to Italy. Since then, I got in gem, but today, I'm off. So I sing maka mgbe m hụrụ ị na-ekwu okwu maka ozi abaribe obi mgbawa n'ihu nke iji wee na-ekwu okwu ahụ ama m na enye gị nwoke ahụ ị ga-achịa ya pieces within a second but masị gị were $100 a kuru mmiri kwọsa n'obi gị ehi ọga awụghị ehi ikpe anyị ga-eme ha ihe n'aha Jizọs.
Thank you.
Your name please, ma. Your name please.
My name is Uwasomba from New York.
Okay, Uwasomba.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
Thank you, ma.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome, baby. You're welcome, baby.
Okay.
Let me quickly make this update. One of our sisters from Italy sent me a message. Her name is our sister Patricia. Patricia Gabriel. She's welcoming the PM with $50. And our brother from the USA, Mazi Peter Daniel and his family. Where is Mazi Peter's message? Yeah, Mazi Peter and his family said, I and my family will join the good Biafra people in Italy with $300, while my mother-in-law $100 to the PM's visit. That's $400. And one of our brothers also, Mazi Efe, he said we should get a Piemontese Prosecco for the PM with €20. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Ndu Ebere, over to you again. Ndu Ebere, you have the mic.
Hello, Biafra. Good evening or good afternoon.
There you go.
Our PM, about to be my spiritual brother. Good afternoon or good evening or good night. I'm calling for the zoo. First of all, there's information I want to lay about. I went to visit one of our brothers in Ikoyi prison. I opportunity to meet IGBO of Ajawe State, the one that requested PM last year during the time that Yoruba Baboni Igbo marketers that they invite ESN, which they arrested. So they narrated some story to me. So I decided to explain it to everybody so that our media team and our PM will know what is happening. Because most of the people that said to him, according to him, he sent me voice with everything. He said, if I want self, he send the picture of those that set it up. Some from Enugu, but in some Igwe. So the man is Igwe in Igbo land, at the same time Igbo in Ajawe State. Even I'll give you a link for a vote. He already voted. So now that's by side. I will send, if you give me any WhatsApp this is, so I will send the man a voice and every message about him, both his picture. So you can use the program. PM, you are here already, listen to me, so you know what to do best more than everybody. That's by side. And that one again is about the de facto government paying tax. Some states do give receipt, while some others say don't give receipt. I've complained about this since. So they not give me a more reasonable this. So this is why I want to complain.
What do you mean?
What do you mean some state give receipt?
Some states,
how many states do you belong to? Is your state giving you receipt or not?
my state not give me receipt. Like my friend's state is Odumegu. Odumegu do issue receipt. I'm from Abeni. But I have requested for the state for the receipt for like this. I paid for 6 months first. Let them receipt so that it can make other people to be paying more. Because we need money for this program.
All right, your complaint have received. We have received it. You should have receipt. So I don't think you have issue with receipt. So, but your complaint is noted, and I believe they are listening. So they will look into it. Thank you.
Another one again is this about ID card. Is it possible for some people that are at the zoo to have the ID card?
People at the zoo is not having the ID card now, except those who travels all the time, but they stay in the zoo. They can apply for the ID card. But those living permanently in the zoo, the provision is not yet available for you. But
for me, if possible, I'm planning to come for that declaration because I want to make use as well.
All right. So when you come, now we focus on this Italy visit. So please, the next person.
Oh, correct.
Okay, from Mazi Tano Vicent, 50 euro to offer cola to our PM. From Mazi Ikechukwonoha, 30 euro to offer cola to our PM. God bless you.
There we go.
Manuela, unmute yourself, Manuela.
Okay, I have an update here from our brother Mazi Collins. He is welcoming our PM with $112. He has paid and sent me the receipt.
Thank you. You back to your program.
All right, I think rounding up or the program.
Yeah, what we have here now, while the duration go on for question and answer, I don't know if it can be permitted.
Yeah, the floor has been open for questions and answers as people were making donations. So you ask questions, you make donations, we move on. So the floor is still open for more donations, please. Support Italia, BIAFRA Lizen. Support Italia, BIAFRA Lizen. You're from Africa, you're from Austria, you're from Europe, you're from America, you're from UK, you're from Asia. Please come in and support Italia, BIAFRA Lizen. Come and support Italia, BIAFRA Lizen.
Italia family, please. Italia family, please make sure that you answer your name. Please, very important. A lot of people, unless you want people to be calling your name, a lot of people have not seen your hand and you have not given any updates. Please make your donation. We have a lot of you guys here.
Enter your family name. Enter your family name. Make your children proud that you supported Biafra. You can raise your hand manually or with the icon or reaction button on the screen. The floor is open. The Prime Minister is here to attend to all questions bothering you on the Biafran liberation and the way forward with the strikes of the government in exile and de facto in the homeland. All right, I have some hands up now. Mazi Uchenna Mbajogu, over to you.
Yeah, good evening once again. My own is a concern. My Prime Minister, I have a concern that I want to just present to you regarding here in Italy. We have some little problem here, and the problem is from our admin, Chibuzo. He decided to remove some people from the group, and for his own reason. And before our Mazi Uche, the European rep, when he visited us here in March, he said that he will be coming to be speaking with us. But since then, he haven't come. But Chibuzo decided to remove so many people in the group. I myself am not in the group, and so many people that he removed from the group. So and
From where? From where?
the group of Italy.
You have your admin. So if you have any complaint, you go to the admin. Not this. This is not the right place to do that. Go to the admin and resolve whatever that is there.
That is the admin that remove all of us, not any other person.
Sorry.
The admin is the person that remove all of. He removed so many people from the group.
And what was the offense of the people?
That is what I'm. That is why this thing. I'm not supposed to bring it to you. It was the European rep that's supposed to settle it,
So
but he was not.
reach out to European rep. Now you are saying it here. You are still saying you're not supposed to bring it. So continue to reach out to him. He will respond. He is still busy too.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Thank you,
sir. It will be resolved. And the admin of Italy, whatever the reason is for removing people, please add them back. Let's move on.
Thank you. Azubike Nwodom Odom. Over to you. Unmute yourself. We need more hands up, please. Azubike Nwodom Odom. Unmute yourself. You have the mic.
Good BIAFRA. Good evening, my minister. And good evening,
Azubike, we can't hear you anymore. I don't know if others can hear you.
To understand it, so let's see if I can get you now. How are you? You're looking
Azubike, we can't hear you. Azubike, we can't hear you. Please, everyone remain muted while someone is speaking. Azubike, your network is bad. Maybe go out and come in again so that you can refresh your system. Azubike, go out and come back. Finance Minister, over to you. Azubike, we can't hear you. Go out and come back, please.
Okay. Mazindewo, Minister of Information. I just want to support because I'm a living example. So I live by example. I believe in what I believe in. At any time, I will always represent. So I'll be supporting with the sum of $1,000. PM Jiden Kiji, we appreciate you. Yeah, we are strongly behind you. And if you like what I'm doing or what the PM is doing, and the well meaningful Biafrans, please support. And if you don't like what we are doing, maybe look for the available lagoon and jump inside, because we know we are doing the right thing. And we are proud of what we are doing, so because we are in the right path. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you.
Please, my PM, concerning what Uchenna Bajok said, the people we remove from our group are people that are not paying, people that try to destabilize our group, our noble group. Please, we don't remove people that are paying. These people, they are not paying. Some have been in the group for 6 months, 1 year. They are not paying and they don't want to pay. So that's why we remove them, and adding them back is going to discourage people that are paying. We are moving forward now. We don't want to go backward. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you very much. If that is the case, then of course it's a valid point. So it's left for the people who complain that they have been removed, to pay, and then after that, if you are paying and you are not added to the group, then you can bring your complaint again. For now, if this is the case, I think it is the right thing to do. So when you start paying and you are still not in the group and you want to be in the group, then you make a complaint, you have a valid point. But if the reason is because you are not paying and you are distracting those who are paying, and because of that you are removed. I think you can come back only when you start paying and give the evidence to the admin. So that's a welcome development. Thank you.
And another one about two people who was removed. They called Pastor Bina, pleading that they want to clear their debt, and they cleared their debt, and they were added back. Obina is here to at least to testify. We are here to move Biafra forward. We are not here to make cabals. You understand? Our aim and goal is to achieve Biafra.
Thank you for that clarification. Noted.
And please, if you make donation today, make sure that you send us the receipt. Make your donation, but we want to see the receipt to make sure that everybody has donated, they paid, they redeemed their payment, and want to see the receipt. Do your donation, send it to the website, but at least let us see the receipt. Thanks and God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, over to you.
Good evening, my PM, the dragon himself. To support what Mazi Mbajog said, I was being removed for no just cause. On the 20th of March, Mazuche, he was here because Aero Machine tarnished my name. At last, a meeting was being called and he rendered an apology. Then on the 4th of April, he removed my name from executive, and on the 1st of June, he removed my name from the platform. Sonia Barawa, who is here, is a living witness. I always come to fundraising and I pay my distance, and I'm at 1,000 men. So he himself is the admin. I don't think he contributes more than me. So I don't see why I went astray, you know. So he is saying that people are not paying. You asked us last time when you were here, you say, oh, there are so many people in Italy, but why don't we appear at the fundraising? For that, this year, I decided just to come there and announce my distance and send directly my receipt to Sonia Barawa. So I don't want to send it to him because it will be, I did accounting. It will be a double distance because Barawa will keep his own distance and he will keep. Then why should I double it? He just removed me for no just cost. So he will not say that.
It is still boils down to the same complaint.
Yeah.
You can't be sending your receipt to Akbarawa and expecting.
I said because he said PM.
You don't know that you are paying. Please,
I'm sorry, you met me in Finland. I was at Finland.
Please, I'm talking. Can I address you, please? When what you just explained now solve the problem. You are paying, sending to Sonia Akbarawa.
PM, this is me and you at Finland. He called me a sub. I will send you the.
Can you please meet?
Yes.
You are paying and send the receipt to Akbarawa. That is not right. It means you have some unsettled issue with the leadership in Italy. So, and you don't expect the person or Sonia Akbarawa to forward the receipt that.
Nebai dalole no kunu si wene serena Igbo media di kunu si nesela aisna chuko ka bia mapuru miri na ya gosu ni no fu atwa ikuru atwa ko ya dedede ise kabakwa alo kiti ya lo nke gị na ihe niile na ụgbasta maka ihe Biafran Prime Minister kwugasị n'iru akwụkwọ ana ndị ọzọ dị iche iche kabaro ka itinye alụ nke gị ife ichere n'ụdị nke gị gbasta maka ya bụ ife dịka anyị nọkwa na-echekwa olileanya na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ya pụta oge na-adịghị anya na n'ụlọ mkpọrọ anyị sị na Chukwuka abịa ma ga-enye ya ike nọnyere ya chekwaba ya mana anyị kwuru otu a ka ọ ya dịrịrị ise. Thank you and also stay tuned at Eastern News 24. Ka emesịa nụ ndị be anyị.